All of you are very welcome in my channel. So this is another program related to the IoT application. So in the previous demo, means I have shown you means how to publish any information from the Node MCU and getting that one. But this is totally different. Means this demo is what it is publishing. This Node MCU is publishing two information: humidity and as well as what temperature, and it is publishing always every 1 second or 2 seconds. Okay, so means from any another side, that is what any subscriber which subscribe on the particular topic will get that information. So this is the program, but one important point here, see here, actually we have three topics involved in this program: out topic, in topic, and test and test. Test topic is meant for message MSG, and means that is temperature. Again, same test is meant for message 2, that is humidity. And out topic and in topic just for testing purpose. Means this Node MCU is also the publisher as well as the subscriber. But this is not written in the normal loop. It is written in the specific loop which is executed only once. Okay, so just testing purpose, means from the outside, if any message is transmitted on the in topic, so this Node MCU will generate that one. Okay, and in the same way, if you press the reset button, so this Node MCU will publish the data hello world, and any another subscriber who subscribes on the topic out topic will get that one. Just demo purpose, but continuously this Node MCU is what publishing temperature as well as what humidity. So remember these points. So similar to the previous one, DST, just I am involving the MQTT concept in the previous one. So DST pin 5 same, SSID password, MQTT server same thing. Means this Node MCU is first trying to connect to the Wi-Fi which is available in my mobile. Okay, so that is done, and then later it will try to connect to the test.mosquito.org. Okay, so next one, after successful connection, just you can observe in the reconnect we have what here, means a client dot publish out topic hello world. So this is not in the normal loop, so obviously it is executed only once. Okay, so means we can get that information hello world. Whenever we press the reset button, we will definitely get the hello world. Okay, and also we have what client.subscribe in topic. So this Node MCU may get the information whenever any subscriber any publisher will publish some message into the in topic. Okay, but this is our regular code, what a normal loop. So here what happens means first it is collecting the temperature into what humidity into H variable, temperature into T variable, and also temperature into the F variable. Now means this logic is involved for what every 1 second it is publishing the data. Okay, so I am not discussing that logic too much here because this is the totally demo portion. So here just remember, if from means what if you are good from the C language, in the C language means you definitely you are familiar about SN printf. So I have the two message MSG and MSG2. Okay, so MSG contains temperature whereas MSG2 contains humidity. Now after getting such information, next what it is always publishing these two information but on the same topic, that is test. Okay, so I hope you have the overall idea about this one. Now already I have done the program, so what I am showing that means you can visualize that Node MCU is not connected to my laptop, that is totally separate units. Means just I attached that portion into the power board on my wall. Okay, so and also this Node MCU is connecting to the that DST11 temperature sensor. So what happens once again, this Node MCU is taking both information from this sensor, what temperature as well as humidity, and this Node MCU after getting that information from the sensor, it is publishing this to information every 1 second. So this is the motto for this one. And in the meanwhile, just for testing purpose, you if any publisher publishes some information on which topic, here just see here, on which topic, what out topic or in topic, then this node MCU will receive that information immediately. Okay, so see here, so what I am going to do you, miss this node MCU is already publishing time to time. Now how to get that information? So we have so many ways to get that information. Okay, so first I am showing you on the laptop how to get that information on the laptop. So first opening the service, what MQTT service. So first check service whether it is started or not. So MQTT broker, it is already running. Okay, fine. So my broker is already running. So very first, one by one. So first I am opening the terminal. Okay, so which command should I pass? Just see here, for getting that temperature, humidity, so this one. So what is that topic? Test and test, both same. So here, but this is this terminal should be the publisher subscriber, not publisher. In this case, publisher is that node MCU, and this terminal should be what? Subscriber. Okay, so I am going to subscribe that one. So I am copying and pasting this one, and okay, so here B. Okay, so mosquito underscore sub -h test.mosquito.org -p1883 and -t test. Now hitting enter, what is happening? Yes, means definitely means it is going to receive those information, temperature as well as humidity. Okay, as this node MCU is publishing both information on the same topic test every 1 second. That's why it means this terminal is able to take that information. So I hope it is clear. Now just testing for the another topic, that is what, as I told you, means what, client.publish what in topic and out topic. So once again, this in topic A means both lines of code are written within the node MCU program, Arduino program. So checking one by one, first client.subscribe in topic means this node MCU already has subscribed on the in topic. Okay, so here, but if I pass any information, then we can't observe that because that node MCU is not connected to my mobile to visualize on the serial monitor. So I can't show this one, but I can show you which one, this one. Just not let me think if I am supplying that one. No, means what? I'm right. So I can check for the first one. So here, see here, Control C. So here I am opening the another terminal. I'm opening another terminal, and now see here, what is the notepad now. So I have to publish that data. Okay, so just this is the out topic publishing. So definitely publishing from the outside, that node MCU will take that information. Okay, just it will take, but how we can visualize that one? So just a minute. Out topic, hello world, publish. Okay. Yes, I can visualize. Means I have to use the reset pin. Okay. So out topic. So subscriber. This one. Yes, I'm using this one. Out topic. So this is the subscriber. Means it's subscribed, but why hello world it is showing? Out topic. Why hello world? Just actually, just wait. Means I'm going to just watch all of you. Means I'm pressing the reset button and observe what is happening. Means I'm pressing the reset button on the node MCU and observe what is happening. Yes, means you can visualize the hello world here. So how it is possible? That node MCU is here. Once again, guys, just look at the program. Okay. See here, if my node MCU is connected to the laptop, then it is very simple to visualize each and everything on the serial monitor. But it is a separate topic, in separate, that's why it is tough to visualize each and everything. But see here, in the reconnect, I have that one out topic and in topic. Okay, so whenever reconnect is executed, then we can visualize this one. Okay, so no problem, just you have the idea about this one. And one more thing, now what I'm going to do, just a minute, let me visualize once again why it is showing hello world, this one. Okay, why it is showing hello world, just a minute. So that is another issue. Now I am going to show you. Okay, so omit this one, omit this one. Now what I am going to do means just on the mobile also I want to take that information, temperature as well as humidity. So already you know from my previous demo. First I have to open my MQTT application, and now just it should be publisher subscriber, definitely not publisher. Node MCU is the publisher, so it must be the subscriber. So but on which topic? On the test topic. So first subscribe, sorry, yes, subscriber. So topic is what? Simple test. Simple test. Okay, now it is added. Now going on the dashboard. Okay, so cleaning up this one. Now, means you can observe, means on the mobile I am getting same information, temperature as well as humidity. Okay, but where is my node MCU? That is not connected to the laptop. That is the totally separate units, as I told you so many times. So you can visualize. Once again, guys, overall, this node MCU is publishing temperature as well as the humidity every 1 second, and from anywhere in the world I can get that information. Here I am achieving on the laptop. So this is the subscriber. This is the mobile app, MQTT, my MQTT app. This is the another subscriber. So it doesn't matter who is the subscriber, but on the same topic, if it had subscribed, so that will definitely receive that information. Okay, so very good application. This one, in the previous one, means I have shown you means how we can control the LED means from the external world. Okay, now here I am getting that information generated by the node MCU on my mobile as well as this one. So one more thing I would like to show you, just what happens if I am opening this one, MQTT Explorer. Should I get or not? So just let me verify. So obviously test.mosquito.org and connect. Yes, but as I have encountered some problem is because there are so many topics, because it is working internationally, so I can't pick up that particular topic. So let me check what happens. So, it is not possible here, but once again here I'm trying to do. Okay, what you are observing is I am typing something here. Hello, welcome in my channel. Publishing. So I am watching that information here. Hello, welcome in my channel. Okay, so Miss, I hope you understand it. But in the MQTT Explorer, I am not able to see that one. Okay, no problem. So I'm just disconnecting this one and watching this one. So I hope you have been enjoying such topic from my channel. So going to end the session. So meeting you in the next one. Okay. So fine. Okay. Thank you.